This is Samsung Galaxy A23 4G. As you can see, the battery already inflamed, so the back cover pushed out. And I can see it's not flat, so today in this video, we're going to replace it. It does happen quite a lot with Samsung, especially any Android handset, because their battery comparatively poor than iPhone battery. Also, it used to happen with iPhone before, but now I didn't see within last couple of years. So to replace the battery for Samsung most of the A series, you need to take out the SIM tray first. Why? Because we're going to pull out the mid frame, and then we're going to disconnect the battery, and the battery is secured with some sort of strong adhesive that we're going to pull off completely. Okay, we're going to use no heat, we're going to use 99.99% rubbing alcohol to make the adhesive softer. By the way, Samsung A series always secure with same sort of screws, plenty of screws like 10, 15, it depends which model. So we're going to take out all the screws to get into main board and disconnect the battery. Okay, if you don't take action as soon as you see any sort of inflammation with the battery, then it might damage the flex cable, even the LCD connector. For example, this model didn't work when I changed the battery because it pulled the actual LCD flex cable and damaged the actual LCD connector from the motherboard. Okay, so if you see any sort of physical defect, then replace it as soon as you can. By the way, I got this battery from Amazon because Amazon, they do 1-year warranty. So if anything goes wrong, I can replace it. So everything has done. When I press the power button, it vibrates, but nothing comes on the display. Alright, so later on I found the actual problem that the actual LCD secondary flex is broken because of the battery pulled off and there are some pins damaged. By the way, that's the battery how it defected. This is the good one and other one is the bad one. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know how did you like this video. If you have any question, don't forget to leave it in the comment section. Bye for now.